if you want to turn on screen lock pin on your Galaxy Fit3 so that only you can unlock your watch, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to enable or disable the security pin or passcode on your Galaxy Fit3. To enable the screen lock pin, you need to go to your Fit3 settings. So swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings icon. From there, go down to security and privacy. Now before going to lock type, scroll down and make sure that wrist detection is enabled, because if you have it disabled, then the pin won't work. Now that we have turned on wrist detection, we'll scroll up and tap on lock type. Then select pin. You can also check unlock without tap, so that after entering the pin, you won't need to tap on the tick mark to unlock your watch. Tap on set pin. Now just enter the 4-digit pin twice to confirm it. Now the security pin is all set. Note that, after unlocking your watch with the pin, it will stay unlocked until you take it off the wrist. Now, for some reason, if you want to remove the pin, just go back to security and privacy again, tap on lock type, and enter the pin that you created, then select none to disable the pin or screen lock. And that's all there is to it. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and you can support our work by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.